Hello. Today I'm going to make for you a Blue Hawaiian. It's almost like drinking Blue Hawaiian punch when you were a little kid. So if anyone's unsure what they want to drink and they want something a little sweet, a little fun, I highly suggest this Blue Hawaiian. So 1 ounce of Blue Curaçao. We're just going to build it in glass and stir it up for him. One ounce of rum next. Today we're doing a little variation with Malibu. A lot of people love their Malibu, but it is coconut. You can use classic light rum as well. A little Bacardi in there if you wanted. And our last ingredient is going to be pineapple juice. Just going to go ahead and fill it to the top here. Get a little more ice in there. Get this drink nice and cool. Give it a little stir. And you can garnish this with a couple different things, whether that's a pineapple wedge or a beautiful little cherry to send your guests on their way. Thanks for hanging out with us here at LV Bartenders. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future cocktails, tips, and industry insights. Until next time, drink smart, stay creative, and we'll see you behind the bar.